What amazes me is employees filing dismissal disputes against their employers at the CCMA or at the bargaining council without having any idea as to the fact that, first of all, this is a lawsuit, and secondly, there are legal principles that applies to that lawsuit. Most of the time, employees will file the unfair dismissals disputes to the CCMA or the bargaining council based on a certain emotion, idea or a perception they may have of the employer or a fellow employee or a manager. Completely surprised that when they do eventually pitch up at arbitration, that there are actually legal principles that apply, and that the commissioner or the arbitrator is not necessarily convinced by your emotion or your interpretation of what transpired. A CCMA case is a lawsuit. There are legal principles that apply. When it comes to an unfair dismissal dispute, you as either the employer or the employee, you have to defend or argue a case based on, number one, the procedural fairness of that dispute and all the laws that relates to a procedural fair dismissal, and the substantive fairness of that dismissal. In other words, the reason. And there are laws that applies. And some of these laws also evolve through the labor courts. For more information on what a procedural and a substantive unfair or a fair dismissal may entail, follow us on episode 83 of our podcast, It is Charlottetown.